In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design components and buttons with variants in Figma. Begin by creating the base button. Select the Type tool and type in your button label. Like button. With the text selected, press Shift-Fa to wrap it in Auto Layout. Auto Layout is what gives your button flexible sizing and alignment, so it grows with longer labels and keeps spacing consistent. In the right sidebar, Style the frame, pick a fill color that contrasts well with your text for accessibility. Set a comfortable corner radius for the shape you want and adjust the padding so it feels balanced horizontally and vertically. Keep an eye on the alignment. Centered content is usually best for buttons. At this stage, you are establishing the default look and feel that all other states will build on. Next, turn this into a reusable component. Click the diamond-shaped Create Component icon in the top toolbar, or use the shortcut option Command-F on Mac. Or Control-Alt-K on Windows. Components ensure that when you update the master, all instances stay in sync, which is essential for maintaining a clean design system. Now add variants to capture different states. With the component selected, look for the plus icon in the component frame and choose Variant. This creates an additional state within the same component set. So you can manage multiple versions like default and hover without duplicating work. With variants in place, define properties to keep everything organized and easy to swap. In the right panel, rename properties to something clear, such as state, size, or type. Set values that reflect your needs. For example, state could include default and hover. And type might include primary and secondary. Clear property names make it simple for teammates to find and switch the right version in their designs. Finally, adjust the styles for each variant to communicate interaction clearly. For a hover state, slightly change the fill color or elevation, so it feels responsive without breaking consistency. For a secondary type, you might tone down the background while preserving the same padding, radius, and typography. Keep spacing, alignment, and text styles consistent across variants so they feel like a unified family. That's it. Thanks for watching.